Your email marketing budget just got slashed, but your lead generation targets didn't. Sound familiar? I've spent the last 3 months testing every major free email marketing platform to see which ones can actually handle real business requirements. What I found will probably surprise you and save your marketing budget. Today we'll determine which free email marketing tools scale with your business, which ones have hidden limitations, and most importantly, which ones deliver emails to inboxes instead of spam folders. Hello and welcome to Mailtrap videos, where we explore the world of emails. Let's address the elephant in the room with free email marketing tools. They are only valuable if they actually work. At Mailtrap, I work closely with deliverability experts, and I've seen what happens when companies choose the wrong platform, even temporarily. Their conversions drop, spam complaints increase, and they start losing customers and opportunities. And the damaged sender reputation can take months to rebuild. That is why infrastructure matters more than feature lists when evaluating email platforms. Before we look at specific tools, let's establish what actually matters for business email marketing. Most reviews focus on contact limits and template libraries. That's not what drives results. Here's what I tested: deliverability infrastructure, sender reputation management, analytics and reporting, API access and integration options, and support quality when things go wrong. MailerLite free plan gives you access to 1,000 subscribers, 12,000 emails monthly, and automation workflows. For businesses, it has features such as delivering emails by time zone, email authentication, and focus on maintaining a good sender reputation, in-depth reporting with email click maps, and comparative charts. Official SDKs for PHP, Go, Node.js, Python, and Ruby. Well-documented API, and multiple third-party integrations. However, MailerLite has a few limitations. The free plan users get email and live chat support for only 14 days. After that, they only get access to the knowledge base and MailerLite Academy. The approval process can be strict, and some users report account restrictions without clear explanations. The emails will have the MailerLite logo in the footer. You'll need a separate platform, MailerSend, to handle transactional workflows. Brevo free plan lets you send 300 emails daily with up to 100,000 contacts. The features that stand out for businesses include basic deliverability features like authentication, automation, segmentation, and email reporting, SDKs for different programming languages, and integrations with marketing, CRM, CMS, e-commerce, and other platforms. On the flip side, with Brevo's free plan, you'll have to live with their logo in every email. And actually, this is kind of a theme with all free marketing tools, except for one that I'll reveal in a bit. Deal with the inconsistent deliverability they showed in multiple different tests. Mailjet free plan limits email sending to 6,000 and contacts to 1,500. Unlike Brevo and MailerLite, Mailjet is more straightforward and allows businesses to create interactive campaigns with the MJML editor, maintain good deliverability through simplified email authentication, analyze performance with basic reports and campaign comparison, and connect the platform with other apps through API or third-party integrations. And like any other free plan, Mailjet has limitations. Users get online support only for the first month. There will be a Mailjet logo in the footer. As I told you, this is a pattern. Automation and segmentation are limited to paid plans. Email Octopus free plan provides you with 2,500 subscribers and 10,000 emails per month. It's similar to Mailjet in simplicity, but has a bit more features for businesses. Solid infrastructure for deliverability, automations with limited sequences, real-time reports, and Google Analytics integration. Segmentation based on custom fields and campaign activity, and unlimited email support and live chat for the first 30 days. Email Octopus has limitations, like basic email editor with limited design features, difficult API integration compared to competitors, no option to send the same campaign to multiple lists. Now, Here's what I discovered about email infrastructure that most people don't consider. I ran an email deliverability test across major free email platforms with identical content, domain, and timing. The deliverability results varied by over 20 percentage points. The platform with the highest deliverability, it wasn't the one with the most features or the biggest contact limits. But before I reveal the platform, click the subscribe button and turn on notifications. More email service comparisons are coming up on this channel, so don't miss them out. The platform with the highest deliverability was Mailtrap, and that was on a free plan. For transparency, this is our platform, so take this with appropriate skepticism, but the data speaks for itself. With the Mailtrap free plan, you get 3,500 monthly emails and 100 contacts. 83.7% inbox placement in my testing. Separate infrastructure for bulk, transactional, and marketing emails to keep the deliverability high. In-depth analytics with drill-down reports and mailbox provider breakdowns. No Mailtrap logo in the footer. High-quality shared IPs. Email marketing features like contact management, templates, editors, and campaign scheduling. And integrations with third-party tools like Zapier, Make.com, NA10, and more. The contact limit is lower than competitors, but the infrastructure is designed for deliverability first. And if you're running targeted campaigns, that's a huge advantage. Before you choose the platform, there are a few things you should check, as these could cost you later. Is the platform offering a free trial or a free plan? The tools in this video all have forever free plans, but that's not the case with most marketing platforms out there. Are there any automatic upgrades without clear downgrade paths? Is it possible to remove the platform's branding from the emails in the free plan? If not, does the logo take half of the page, or is it subtle? So, which platform should you choose? If you're just starting with email marketing and not planning to invest in a paid plan, begin with MailerLite or Brevo for the feature set and contact limits. Choose Email Octopus or Mailjet for simple email marketing workflows. If you're planning to send more campaigns as your needs grow and want to maintain good deliverability, go with Mailtrap. But remember, free tiers are for testing. Use them to validate your email marketing strategy. Then invest in proper infrastructure as you scale. But what does proper infrastructure look like for businesses? How do you choose a platform that handles high volumes of emails without sacrificing deliverability? Check out our detailed overview comparing major email services. See you there.